RPN has two very separate and distinct divisions. One is called Studio Production, which is all the people on the Bristol campus, and they're the ones doing shows like Sports Center, Sports Nation, and they're just located in a spot. They go into a studio. But then I work for a group called Event Production, and we actually go and do the games on what is called a remote site. So I never go into an office. My job is on location all the time. So the important things are to know what's happening with the teams, what are some of the backstories, like Elena transferring from Delaware, the vice president's interest in the team. Governor Chris Christie from New Jersey is a Delaware graduate. He's coming to the game. But the other thing is to know what the teams are going to do from a tactical and technical standpoint. We call it X's and O's.